No BS, no fluff, 1 minute video on DXYZ stock analysis and price predictions. Am I buying? Watch this short video till the end to find out. This thing is going up like crazy. So Destiny Tech 100 stock has just been clearing out the highs over and over and over again. Let's say like from 2nd of April to right around now. So that's in a matter of like span of 6 days. We've gone up 340%. That's 3.4 times your investment from your initial investments. Now, I'm not here to just be a financial. Okay, I'm financial advisor. You should have done this. You should have done this. Let's control what's in the present. Not what's in the pack or in the past. With DXYZ, I'm still bullish. I'm still trying to capitalize and be part of this bullish trend. Like I said, the only way that I was going to be bullish is if the price came inside this, the money even gave me the rules. It's already kind of moving right now, and that's from the previous update that I made. And yeah, I mean, honestly, I'm still expecting the price to take out the highs, but it never really gave me like my desired rules. But again, it's a great directional bias. For more value and resources, just go ahead and check out the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next video.